Saw the shooter come outside of his car, and I saw him exit and run towards a group of kids, and then I went back into my school.
The police have said he was waving some sort of an imitation gun. Did you see that? We see it now in the video.
They looked real to me, but he was waving them around. I did see that, and he sprinted towards a group of kids.
Towards the group of kids?
That's what I saw, yeah.
And about how long did this take place? How long were you watching him for?
I was watching them for about maybe 20 seconds before I had to just run back in just for my own safety.
Right there is the truck that mowed down a bunch of people and killed people. There are bodies on the other side of this roof right here. That is the truck. This is a view from my building. I'm safe, we're all safe, my family's safe. But it happened right below where I am in Battery Park. Right here, there's tons of cops, fire department.
We can't leave the neighborhood.
There's, unfortunately, that's a body. There are bodies around here, just past the roof. This is the truck that did it, right there. There's dirt in the highway, the West Side Highway in Chambers Street, where the truck crashed. I heard that the driver was shot and is in custody. But there are people that passed away. Right now we're safe. This is right downstairs, Chambers and the West Side Highway.